Yes, Flipper Zero can open a car, but this is my car with standard key and aftermarket alarm system. It uses rolling codes and it has one main button. This is optimized for average grandmother. Well, jokes aside, let me show you how you can unlock the car with Flipper Zero. Go outside of remote range, in my case around 25 meters from the car. And check frequency with frequency analyzer. Go sub-gigahertz, then frequency analyzer, and press the button. Here you can see that this remote operates on 433.92 MHz. Now go back, read raw, go config and choose 433.92 MHz as frequency. Press return and record the signal. Stop recording and save recorded file. I will name it as 1. Done. Next I will record another signal, as 1 can be used only once. It is rolling code feature. Go check my other videos on Flipper Zero where I opened a new Peugeot 108. Okay, so I have 3 different files, save as 1, 2 and 3. Let's see if they can open the car. Original keys, I will gently place them here. And let's play the file, number 1. Boom! Just like that, it's open. Let's try number 2. And car is locked. As you can see, one file works only once. But I have one more, number 3. Works like a charm. You can also mess with Teslas. Just play it, write sub-gigahertz file and boom. Files and description. I went extra mile and recorded another 2 signals, creatively named 4 and 5. Just to show you all up close. Do your research before messing with rolling code. It is important that you understand things around. And here we go. Open and lock this Vida Polo with Flipper Zero. Thanks for watching. See you next time.